I came close to getting the end framed in, and it started to rain, and I would have had to quit in a half hour anyways. So they're just going to get wet for about 3 weeks. But it's yellow pine. As soon as they get wet, as soon as it stops raining, they'll start drying right away. A bunch of these have been outside for almost a year in those frames before I took them apart. So I'll go out in the rain. And right now I'm under our protective roof from last time. Love it. See how far away the rain's hitting from the doors. Here we go. So once I'm done framing it in, I was going to put the supports in, but I need to tear off some siding, so I'm going to have to resume next trip. I'm going to take the ladder down, but here's where we're at. Once we get this on, that rain will be coming out here. All that will not get wet. Get away from the house more is the key. Okay, there we go. Next trip.